Hey guys, it's me Rihanna and welcome back to my channel. So hey guys, it's me. It's been a long time. Okay. So ang last vlog ko, ang last vlog ko was 2 years ago. Ay, by the way, this is my phone pala. This is my phone pa rin. Like, ano pa to? 2022. And, yeah, tama. 2022 or 2021. And I think umabot pa siya sa last vlog ko. I think. Yeah. Medyo maingay ha. So, for today's video, guys, I will be doing school makeup. A school makeup tutorial. Or, yeah. Though yung school makeup tutorial, yung school makeup ko is also my everyday makeup. So, I think it's an everyday makeup tutorial. Everyday makeup look tutorial. So, I already did my skin prep. I just wash my face. Yung cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. I didn't use moisturizer muna kasi yung sunscreen ko nakaka-moisturize din siya ng skin. So, medyo naiinitan kasi ako ngayon kaya hindi ako gamit ng moisturizer. But my moisturizer is Nivea cream. Yeah. Pero I think papalitan ko siya. And, guys, this is my current sunscreen. This one. This is the Skin 1004 Centella Airfit Sun Cream Light with SPF 30 PA4+. So guys, naalala ko pa dati, gumawa ko ng videos na simple makeup look, online class makeup look, like that, the junk blush kineme. And the only things I have that time ay pulbo, yung clay blush ng Sugar Dolls, the iconic one. And then, wala pa nga akong lipstick ata eh. Yeah. Ang gamit ko pa nun ata is yung Nivea na lip balm. Yes. And then, I don't have mascara din. And then, ang ginagamit ko pa sa brows ko. As I can remember, ginagamit ko pa sa brows ko. Yung, yung lip therapy ng Vaseline. Girl, lip nga eh. Ba't ka gamitin mo sa brows? Charis. So, yun gamit ko. And, yung mascara na ginagamit ko that time was tuyo na. Like, tuyo na talaga siya. So, ginagamit ko na lang siya pang, ng brows ko, ganyan. And dito, sa eyelash ko. And then, gagamitin ko din siya sa lips. Girl, ang hygienic mo niyan, ha? But, today, guys, masasabi ko na pwede na ako gumawa ng, another video. Like, a simple everyday makeup tutorial. Cause, meron na tayong improvement. Medyo dumadami na yung paraphernalia natin. So, guys, I have a lot of things na. I have a lot of makeups na here. And actually, meron pa akong isang maliit lang na kit naman na nasa Manila. And by the way, guys, I am an incoming second year college student now. And yung last time na vlog ko pa ay parang grade 9. Hindi, grade 10. Grade 10 ako. Yeah. Kasi grade 11 hindi na ako nagpatuloy. So, lahat na nandito na dinala ko dito sa province since bakasyon na namin ay ito. Andito lahat ng mga pang everyday na ginagamit ko. Okay? Okay. And, kung mapapansin nyo, parang nag-improve na rin yung quality. Siyempre, hindi lang paraphernalia yung i-improve natin. Dapat yung quality rin. Diba? Yeah. So, kinlip ko lang yung aking hair kasi I forgot my headband sa Manila. Okay? And yes, Doon ako nag-aaral, guys. And I'm currently taking... Bakit currently? Bakit may bala ka ba mag-shift? Wala. I'm currently taking BS Psychology. Secret New School. Alam mo yan. Charis. So, since I don't have like yung maliit mirror, I'm just gonna use this, my palette sa Easy. From Easy. Yeah. As you can see, hindi pa siya kompleto. And, hi! So first guys, inayos ko muna yung brows ko. And I'm gonna use this Get Ready With Me Brow Lift Max Laminating and Grooming Multi-Use Gel from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Yeah, ito yung pink na variant. Variant! Okay, next is eyebrow pencil, and this is from Bia. I just fill in the gaps. Naiinis ako minsan kapag hindi nakapagpa-trim kasi nga hindi ko masundan kung alin yung... Ano ba dyan yung tamang linyang kilay ko? Like that. Okay. So next guys, I'll be using this BLK Cosmetic Radiant Glow Filter Complexion Booster in the shade Butterscotch. By the way guys, I'm a neutral undertone. I have neutral undertone, light to medium. Yes. I don't usually use this, pero sometimes, yeah. Kaya nga I don't usually Charis. This is my holy grail also, but I have my #1 holy grail. So this is the first base Everyday Skin Tint by Colorette. Yes, I use this for my everyday ganon. Everyday ganap. And my everyday ganap is pumasok. Guys, I have a lot of brushes, you know. Yes, ang cute niya oh. 'Di ba? So kung nakikita nyo, medyo kumikinang na tayo. So next is concealer. This is from Squad. I'm in the shade CL3. This is for brightening, but I also use this to conceal my, you know, like this. Nagka-breakout ako nung umuwi ako, and then pero nagsimula yung yan o, like anday kong acne marks. Nagsimula yan lahat nung tumungtong ako ng Manila. Kasi guys, may allergy kasi ako. So next, so for my under eyes, right? And for my blush, guys, I always use this. Yung isa nito ay nasa dorm. Kaya, sorry not sorry. Dapat yun nga yung dala ko instead of this. Kasi yun yung mas kulay na pang summer like that. This is in the shade Coast. Yung BLK Creamy All Over Paint. Kaso ubos na siya. I mean, look guys, kapag iniswatch ko, wala na siya. Dati sobrang creamy pa niya na parang so, OA ka. Parang anday pa niyan laman. Pero now, wala na. So, I'm gonna use this. The Vice Cosmetic Do It All on the Daily. In the shade. I'm in the shade Always Sweet. Moisturize my lips gamit tong classic Carmex moisturizing lip balm. So guys, I'm gonna put some powder na, and for my under eyes and here I'll just use this, the Get Ready With Me Powder Rush Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I'm in the shade Bright and Pink. So guys, pinuksan ko lang yung ilaw and parang kasi ako kulangan ako sa ilaw. So ganito siya guys. I-marinate ko lang yan and wait lang. I'll just curl my lashes. I'm using the Shawil eyelash curler. I'm also planning to buy the Glam Fix curler. Lahat na lang plano mo. And yeah, ito na siya guys. For my mascara, I will be using this BLK False Lash Waterproof Mascara. Now, medyo nakakatawa na yung face ko. That's why we need to, I use this Get Ready With Me na brush. By the way guys, I'm using the All Day, what do you call this? The Dr. Sensitive All Day Nosy Boom Blur Powder in the shade Natural. So next guys, ginagamit ako lang ng contour powder, yung yung nose ko para lang magkaroon ng nose line. And then, I just add konting brown lang. I also use this kasi nawala na yung eyeshadow palette ko. Ayan. Konting brown lang. And then, look. So, for our next step ay magpa-powder blush na. Nalimutan ko na yung shade ko dito. And then, sometimes, kapag marami pa akong time, I put some eyeliner. And I also use this eyebrow pencil for my, eyeliner. And I'll just do this off cam. Okay, I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done. Yan lang yung eyeliner ko. parang hindi pa siya pantay. Hindi ko nga siya ma-master, but it's okay. Hindi naman ako lalabas. Okay. And for my lips, I'll show you my holy grail. This is from Easy, the True Matte Lip Bullet in the shade Possess. But I think this shade is for warm tone. Kasi masyado siyang dark for a neutral girl like me. Okay. Sometimes I use this, my Vice Cosmetic Lasting Liner in the shade Cocoa to lip line. Pang lip line like this. Pero sige, gamitin natin siya. And then, guys, ganito ko siya gamitin. Hindi ko siya ni-slide ng ganyan or what. I'll just dab it like this. Like that, guys. And that's it. So tayo, wait lang. Mag-ayos lang ako. So that's it, guys. This is my everyday makeup look there sa pagpasok. At parang araw-araw ako makipag-talk saan, right? Pero kapag malilate na ako, okay, sunscreen na lang, okay na yan. Kahit pakita na yung mga blemishes all over my face. Bye-bye. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. See you!